the Changi Airport, and our flight is at 1 p.m.
Passengers seated from rows 27 to 40, please proceed for boarding now. Thank you.
What's in my bag? This is what's in my bag. Mga pantawid. Tan, 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 tan. Say hi!
Ba, nagkita na?
Nagkita na kami in a different country. I'm so oily.
Ang ganda ng lipstick mo. Nandiyan pa yung wala na. Kasi pag aesthetic lang, ano lang, hindi na.
Here in our hotel. Thank you! Dive daw muna. Dive daw muna. Welcome to Ho Chi Minh. So that is down there. It's the whole lot of street partying.
Lumamig din sa wakas.
Ito na mga ibon. Nasa Disney Princess. Yeah, so, bumaba kami doon to swim. Yeah. Actually, nanaginip ako nag-swimming tayo. Ikaw, ay morning naman. Na-video ba?
Oo.
Ah, nagre-record. So, this is the hotel. And then, this is the view.
Uy, mahulog.
Naka-full payment na to, so pwede na siyang maulog.
True, guys. So,
Diba? So, ito yung room tour ulit. Oh my God. Medyo masakit ulo ko because you have to blame it with this one. May mga na drunk chat pa tayo. Anyway, we're gonna swim. So, see you. Nakataas. See you. Christine is upstairs. But we're gonna have some morning dip today because I need some water. So guys, today is our second day and we are looking into going to the War Museum with this and the post office kind of thing. It's famous in here. Yung birthday mo ba, girl? Yung pag-uwi natin? 29 ba? Tama ba? Birthday mo? Monday? Ah, Tuesday. Tuesday. Yep. So that's that. It's day 2 and we are heading to the War Museum because ito mga pang-war tong outfit na. Yeah, modern war. And then, after that, the post office maybe, tapos a little bit of shopping. Our current situation. We don't know what are these food, but we're just so hungry. So we just pick whatever we think is good. Go girl. For the suso Vietnamese edition. Vietnam edition. Yeah. Nagutom na kami. Kung ano na lang yung turo-turo dito. Though hindi namin alam kung ano yung food. Turo-turo na lang. Tapos kain. Sarap naman siya. I don't know what is this called, but it's good. It's not bad. So we are here at the post office where we will send some postcards to our friends abroad.
Bili na tayo.
So we also bought some postcards yesterday and have some bought some today from here. Yeah. Actually, it's a lot cheaper if you buy postcards from outside. But it's just like 5,000 dong cheaper. Not bad. So I'm writing postcards.
Hey guys! So, kakatapos lang namin sulat ng postcards here sa post office in Ho Chi Minh and uy, ba't ayaw tumaas? Yeah, so that's that. And then, pupunta na kami sa Highlands.
Ayun o.
Ay. Highlands Coffee. Ito na siya. Buying some stuff. It's like the green hills in here.
Green Hills.
We can climb. So, may friend po tayong nag-shopping. Pak na pak. Ako, mga panty lang.
Panty lang.
Si ate girl, magre-reseller. Gusto mo ba to? Victoria weekend pa. Pero di ko na. Uy, what's that? Jollibee in Vietnam. It's our last full day in FA. Yeah, FA ang pick ko today. Ito pa yung senior ko. Charay! So, last full day na. Saan tayo pupunta? Walang plano.
Không, chị là không phải, tôi không có về.
Bili pa rin. Philippines. Singapore.
Naliligaw po kami. But at least, we have Vietnamese coffee. This is so good. Kala ko pupunta kami sa river tour, pero hindi pala. Creek pala yung napuntahan namin. So, ang ending, ano ginawa natin doon? Nagkape lang kami. Tapos, which is masarap naman. Tapos, balik na ulit sa city or sa town. So, this is very... Oh, ito mukha ng Rizal. Mukha ng Rizal.
Oo nga.
Oh, ganito na yung peg. Kanina mukhang Bulacan. So this is like
Sa Rizal.
very Pinas yung peg here. Look at that. Diba? I mean,
Pinas, kalahati
Yeah.
Singapore.
Indochina. So I mean, okay lang naman maligaw. It's nice to be lost sometimes. No? Tapos natay lang namin yung coffee. Yung coffee nila there, it's so amazing kasi it's like street coffee. Pero from the scratch, talagang freshly grind yung coffee bean. Tapos, alam mo yun, ang sarap. Walang gatas. Sabi ko dun sa babae, kay ate, put some milk. Hindi siguro niya naintindihan kasi I'm not sure, hindi nila masyadong ginagamit yung English or something like that. Pero, ayun.
Thank you na lang.
Thank you na lang. Sabi ko, walang gatas. Thank you. Yun lang, guys. So, papunta kami ngayon ulit sa town kasi nandun yung mga nasa checklist namin. Yeah. You see a lot of country worldwide protested to stop war in Indo-Chinese countries. One of which is Vietnam. O ano yung mga Indo-Chinese country? Enumerate. Indonesia.
China.
Hindi. Thailand.
Thailand.
Ay, no. Thailand ba? Hindi naman sinabing Thailand eh, guys. Comment down below.
Lasa siyang watermelon.
Sarap yarn.
Tikman ko rin.
Rice field. Home-cooked Vietnamese cuisine. And this is Michelin Guide restaurant. So, we ordered one of their Michelin-rated dish, which is this one. It's snail stuff. Mommy! Sugar mommy.
Sugar mom.
Yeah.
1 million.
Apartment cafe. Typical Vietnamese street food. Our food and drinks and the birthday girl. Cheers! Happy 25th, 26th.
Singapore. We have an early flight around 7 a.m. And papunta na kami sa Singapore.
Like that. And this one makes how much? 130.
Thank you. Bilis-bilis ng araw. Tapos na yung vacation.